I like how this video is like a video on Phoebe's hair drying. Like
Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see, then you gotta know, bitches, they only care about the flow, come on, you know how the story go. This the shit that never run and they always pretending, acting kinda sinning. They mind what I'm bending, just imagine like Lennon that we living like long division. My vision is risen, shout out my homie in prison.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Phoebe. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a few tips with you guys on how to clear up your skin. I'm not a professional, I'm not a dermatologist, and I've never suffered with severe acne. Going through puberty and stuff, it happens a lot during then as well. Before we start the video though, I just want to go ahead and remind you guys that if you're not already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and thumbs up the video as well. So my first tip on getting clearer skin is pretty obvious, and it's to drink more water. I go through so many bottles of water a day, and you can literally see them in the background of my video in the last video I did. I know people tend to say to drink at least like 8 glasses of water a day or something like that. I don't count it like that just because I don't drink water out of glass. But I think as long as you're drinking enough water to the point where you're not feeling dehydrated throughout your day, then that should be enough. Drinking lots of water also helps with weight loss, so if you want to tackle that as well, you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. My next tip would be to use a toner, and I use the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I used to use the tea tree water from Lush, but I find that this is so hydrating on your skin. Personally, I prefer this one, but the tea tree water works just the same. Although I do think they're like a pretty similar price, so I'd go for this. The next thing is to moisturise, and I use the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturiser, and it's oil free. I've been using this since I was about 14, and you can literally see in my old videos I use this all the time. Haven't moved on to any other moisturiser, haven't tried any other moisturiser. Nothing works for me like this does. When I use this, I just put a dot there, a dot there, a dot there, a dot on my nose and a dot on my chin, and then that's enough really. I would recommend moisturising your face every morning, just because it helps the skin to balance out its natural oils. Especially if you have dry skin and dry patches on your skin, then it's good to moisturise regularly to tone that down a bit. My next tip is to use a facial scrub, and I use one from Kiehl's, and I use it about once or twice a week. Even though the girl at Kiehl's told me that I should use it 2 or 3 times a week. Another thing that helps when I get spots just randomly is to use a spot cream, and I use the Mario Badescu drying lotion. This just helps to tone down the redness and the bumpiness of your spot and try not to touch your face a lot. Especially with your hands, you've been touching things throughout the day, and if you just touch your face, then like bacteria is gonna spread and, you know, spots. Going back to what I said about using a scrub, try and wash your face every other day or every 3 days. It just helps with what I said about your hands and your hair. It just helps to get rid of the oils that aren't needed on your face. Speaking of oils, stay away from oily foods, and obviously if you're a uni student like I am and you want a takeaway, it's fine every once in a while, but just try not to have excessive amounts of like really oily foods. If you consume oil, the oil will get to your face. Not like, well, you're not going to have like vegetable oil on your face, but like your body is going to produce more oil, and then the oil is going to clog up your pores, and then you're going to get spots. But all my tips aside, sometimes you just have to give it time just to do its thing and then leave. But that's about it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me every week. Also, just want to say a quick thank you for 2,000 subscribers. We hit it again. Hopefully we can keep it and go further. But yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one.